everybody. I'm going to start with a question. What if you want to travel and you don't have enough money? Well, I'm going to talk about some options that you now have that you can use to travel for cheap accommodation. And I'm going to start talking about the traditional ones. All of us, the first thing that we thought when we are searching for accommodation is to search on hotels. Now I'm going to show you some new options that you can use, non-traditional options that maybe can help save your money and enjoy your travel at the same time. Now I'm going to tell you that when I make this research, I start supposing that I'm going to travel to Sao Paulo. I choose a location because I want to compare prices and how these options that we now have can help us to save money. So I choose Villa Madalena. Villa Madalena is a bohemian upper middle class neighborhood located at the center of Sao Paulo, Brazil. And I suppose that I'm going to stay there with my couple, 7 nights. So all that I need is a private bedroom, a private bathroom, and a double bed. So I make that research and I found that the hotel option was the most expensive. As you can see on the bar graph, there is a big difference between the hotel option and the other two options, that is Airbnb and hostel. Of course, there is like a dramatic drop with these two last options because they are free options, accommodation for free. As you can see, Airbnb, I try to find options that have similar characteristics in quality and of course in the location. All of them was located in that neighborhood. Airbnb, as you can see, was almost the middle of the hotel. And I want to show you the advantage to use Airbnb. You can create your own profile. You have to create it to enter in this community. It's like a community where many people around the world share their places. You have several filters that you can use, like the room type. You can search for the entire place, for a shared room, or for a private room. I make this research, and I think that one advantage is that you can see simultaneously the places exactly at Google Maps where you're going to be located. I found these several options, and I choose this one because it was similar to the one that I chose in the hotel option, first option. But as you can see, there are cheaper options, so you can travel even more cheap than the one that I found. And also with many amenities and facilities. For example, they give you a Wi-Fi, a kitchen, TV, all of this for only 1,300 reales, is similar to the peso. Then I searched for a hostel. This hostel was similar in quality to the last one. And as you can see, the advantage is that it's cheaper than the other ones. But they give you a breakfast that is an advantage, an additional advantage. But you don't have a private place to stay compared to Airbnb. The last And the remain ones are couch surfing, and these options has like the biggest advantage of these two options is that there are communities around the world that offer free accommodation, totally free. In couch surfing, I'll search for a place. Couch surfing, what means is that you can stay in a couch in any place in the world, but they offer also private rooms. If there is someone that has one room left in their house, they offer them. I found this. She tell us that there is a room with a sofa, bed, internet, sound, so you have like the same facilities like the last one, but there is free, totally free. There are filters too, but you can't know in which place exactly you're going to stay. You don't know where is the neighborhood you're going to stay. And the last one, but not least one, is WOOF. WOOF is a worldwide community that share or that link persons that want to learn how to cultivate and or grow organic food, and they link you with farmers that share their farms, and you can stay for long periods or just for 3 or 2 days. They prefer you to stay more than 3 days because you're supposed to learn like those that new lifestyle of growing things and cultivating organic food. So I'm going to conclude. Do you want or do you feel attracted to use one of these new and innovative ways to get accommodation around the world? Thank you, everyone.